I'm sorry. I have a simple question. What do you think about polygamy?
Is your wife here? So, the issue of marriage and polygyny, as they call it, is not a joke. Unfortunately, most men think that TikTok. So most men think that it's a joy, it's a ride, it's fun. Yalla, let's go. How many wives do you have? One. Oh, sure, I have two. Oh, I have three. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. But it is not. It is a responsibility. Because you have to know that if you come on the day of judgment and you're not fair to both of them, you will come with your side tilted. Everybody on the day of judgment will know, oh, he has two wives, but he was not fair. It is a lot of money, a lot of tolerance. I was married to two, alhamdulillah, for 25 years. 10 years ago, I divorced one of my wives because I was going to die. I could not tolerate it anymore. So it is a beautiful experience for those who can be patient, tolerant, and fair. Most of the men that marry are not like this. And they're not real men. I have many counseling sessions. Sheikh, I got married to a second wife. Good for you. But after 1 year of marriage, my wife found out. Oh, you didn't tell her? I said, no. I said, okay. Now she's telling me, either divorce her or divorce me. So I said, what are you going to do? She said, my first wife has 4 kids. My second wife has no kids. Or maybe 1 kid. So, no, I will divorce the other one. You're not a real man. You should not have got married. A real man gets married because it's a necessity. He has to. So if my first wife comes and says, because I got married, I cannot stay in this marriage, I will leave. Ma'as-salam. You want to leave? Leave. I love you, I respect you, I will be fair with you, but you don't force me because I'm a man. But if I'm not a man, and I will feel, oh, I should divorce one of them, Bismillah, Hadi Badi, Sidi Muhammad al-Baghdadi. No, this is not good. So again, Sheikh, polygyny is only for men who can be fair, who can be tolerant, who are ready to receive blows with high heels on their head and say, yes, give me some more here, please, here. This is inshallah good, and Allah knows best.